Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to host your own custom game locally in Battlefield 6. Let's get started. So first from the home screen, scroll all the way down and select the community tab. Inside the community menu, choose your search experiences under the browse service section. Then go to sort by and change it to either the most popular or most liked. This helps you easily find the best community made game modes created by other players. And you can browse through the list and select the experience that you want to play. For example, a bot match or a custom draft mode. And after selecting it, you'll see the two options like the browse servers or host. Choose Host. Then, you can now adjust everything like rules, difficulty, player options, and game settings. You can set up the match however you like, and when you're ready, scroll down and select Host locally, and your custom match will launch instantly, and you'll be playing your own private server with your chosen settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.